Oral history in a minute with Fanatsu. What is today known as Sella Bay was a village known as Sidza prior to Spanish colonization. During the Spanish-Chamorro Wars, Sidza sided with the foreigners against its neighbor Ati, which was located where Sedi Bay is today. Sidza was one of the few villages where the Spanish explicitly acknowledged the power of a magahaga, or a woman who held political sway over men. Until the 19th century, the southern village of Humatec was the main port of entry for ships to Guam. Because of this, a road was built connecting Hagatna, the capital, with Humatec along the southwestern coast of Guam. That road required the building of several bridges, one of which still stands today at Sella. In the 1970s, the U.S. military began negotiations with the government of Guam over the taking of Sella Bay in order to build an ammunition wharf. A diverse coalition of educators, political leaders, and young community activists voiced their opposition and protested saving Sella. Today, Sella is a favorite hiking destination, an area for immersing oneself in Guam's history.